Hi, today I'm going to talk about my best friend. My best friend's name is Diego. He is 18 years old and he studies architecture at university. He's responsible, creative, and very hardworking. He lives in Lima with his parents and his younger sister. What time What time does he wake up? He wakes up at 6:30 a.m. What does he do after he wakes up? He takes a shower, gets dressed, and has breakfast. Does he have breakfast at home? Yes, he does. Does he cook dinner? No, he does. He doesn't. How does he go to university? He goes by bus. What does he do in the afternoon? He attends class and works on his architect projects. Does he play sports? He does. He plays soccer twice a week. What does he what does he do at night? He does his own homework and watch Netflix before going to bed. He usually goes to bed at 11:30 p.m. That is, that is my best friend's daily routine. Thank you, thank you for listening.